Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of The Haya Company. In today's video, I'll just be giving you a couple tips on how to choose your candle scents when launching a candle business. So if you're struggling with that, please stay tuned. Okay, so as you know, we launched our business back in March and we do sell candles as well as other products like soaps, body butters, and we'll be adding on new stuff like home decor, room sprays, so stay tuned. But I do the candle and like the scent portion of it, and I had to come up with scents for it. And y'all, this was kind of a struggle for me because I just wanted to do scents that I liked. So don't just go with scents that you like, because the scents that you like the most, you probably burn them. If you're like me, you probably burn them like any time of the year, but that's not gonna work when launching your own candle business. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehayaco.com. So tip number one is know your season. So basically know the season that you'll be launching your candle business in. So if you're like, say if you start your preparation in spring, but you want to launch in like October, so you'll be planning for the fall. So for instance, when I was preparing back in December, the cranberry scent was my favorite scent at the time, and I would have been launching in spring, and I knew that, but I still wanted to do like cranberry in spring as opposed to like more fruitier / floral scents. So just know your season and know that you could, but it would sell better in a season that is kind of known for. So basically you're gonna want to do like your floral, your more fruity type fresh scents in the spring, as opposed to what I wanted to do like the cranberry, more deeper, richer scents for the fall. The next thing I kind of struggled with was how many scents. But y'all, one thing I learned is I'm the 4 scent queen, okay? It don't matter what scent like launch I'm doing, I just try to stick to 4 scents because that's kind of what I could handle at the moment. Because like I said, I do work another job and I do like the candles because I like to do it. So I figured out early 4 scents is what I could handle, and that's just what works best for me. And also I had another reason behind it, which is my next tip, but I'll get into that later. I know some people try to do like 6, 8, even 2, whatever works best for you, I'll say do it. But just keep in mind, you want to have a variety that each person can pick from, and that number for me was 4. So tip number 3 kind of ties into the second tip that I just mentioned, is the 4 scent categories. So for the 4 scent categories, which I researched while looking up like scents and stuff. Okay, so the 4 scents that I seen were fresh, woody, floral, and exotic or oriental. For that portion, I'm not sure what would classify as like exotic. They had like the scale. I'll put the scale up on the screen so you could kind of see like what it looks like, but you could try to go for a scent that fits each category, and that will help you create a line that caters to like each person. And then when you get into like the fall and Christmas type scents, you kind of go into like the food scents then. So you go for like more pies, cookies, baked stuff when you get into like the fall, because it kind of reminds people of home, warm cooked meals, well, baked meals, because it's usually like the sweeter stuff. The other scent type that would kind of be specific to the kind of candle line that you'll be doing is like the aromatic scents, like eucalyptus, like those more common scents. Say if you're going for like a soothing type earthy scent line, you will go for these scents. So you'll probably do like eucalyptus candles, lavender candles, more citrus kind of vibrant candles. That could be more for like, you could use that one scent type and create like a whole line for that if that's what you want it to be. The 4th tip I would give is know the popular scents. So know the popular scents for that season. You could either watch other YouTube videos, you could research the scents, or just go on Bath and Body Works and look up like the most popular scents for that season. You can filter your search to the most popular or like the most sought after scents and look at it from that way. So yeah, y'all, those were the tips that I had for basically choosing the scents that you would like to go with for launching your candle business whenever you do. It could be tedious, time consuming, frustrating because you're not sure, and then trying to order in all these fragrances and test them out to see if you like them. What I do when I shop, this is like a bonus tip, what I do when I shop on candle suppliers looking at their fragrance oils, I read all of the notes in it. If they don't have the notes listed, don't go for it. And then I kind of look for like phthalate free, like paraben free stuff. That's like my preferences. And what else? I also look at a whole bunch of fragrance oil haul videos. So what people say are strong, because some fragrance oils aren't as strong as others. So that's another thing I would recommend. But y'all, it seems hard, which it kind of is, but when you nail down your 4 or your 5, your 6, your 8, however many you go with, it'll be solid. And then from then on, growing it gets easier, because I said like doing my fall and my winter candle line as opposed to when I launched back in March is so much easier now than before. So I hope these tips help. Good luck on launching your candle business whenever you do, if it's in the fall, if it's in the winter, and feel free to promote yourself down in the comments, like say your website, your business, even like you could put like your Instagram, your website, your business, your Facebook page, whatever, so other candle makers and stuff could go down there and see. And even if somebody who doesn't make candles and just interested in candles could go down there and see your business as well. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch our other videos in our channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.